A very good morning to you all. Thanks for joining in. This is Praful Kulkarni and today is 26th of March, Friday. Alright, iske baad it's a long weekend. So today I'm expecting a lot of weekend decay, that too a long weekend decay that is going to be incorporated in today's action. After this heavy sell-off in the last 15-20 minutes of the market action yesterday, everyone would have hoped or everyone would be expecting that the market's going to gap down. But to everyone's surprise, the market is opening almost 180 points, 170, 180 points higher than where it closed yesterday. It closed somewhere around 14,350 and it's opening at 14,500. Fine, 150 points. So what that's going to do is, here at this point there will be a lot of short sellers who would have taken positional trades, right? Because this 14,350 level, it has already been breached, and then an attempt to come back in the 14,350 range has been negated by the sellers and the selling pressure was continued. And what this would have prompted is there will be a lot of shorts in the system, and now with this kind of a gap up opening, what will happen is we can expect some sort of a short covering rally, because once that happens, once that happens, there will be a huge buying surge. And having said that, 14,450 call, or let's go for 14,500. So having said that, 14,500 straddle is trading around 370 points, so it should be trading somewhere around 350 points. So what we're going to do is, without any hedges, we're going to take some small quantities of 14,500 strangle and sit on it. The upper boundary being 14,600 and the lower boundary being 14,350. So unless this range doesn't get breached, we're going to stay with this. We have already taken the positions, and we have already collected somewhere around 4 points of decay in the Nifty straddle, which we are sitting at 14,500. And in the Bank Nifty straddle also, we are currently cost to cost. We are on 33,500 straddle on in Bank Nifty, and we are at 14,500 straddle in Nifty. So the hypothesis being, this level 14,400 level should be acting as a good support, because यहाँ पे 20 MA का भी support आने वाला है, swing का भी support आने वाला है, and today's CPR is also there, plus the sentiments have been positive owing to the gap up opening, right? So इसलिए we'll be sitting on 14,500 straddle, and the straddle will be disturbed only and only when we start heading below 14,410 or 14,420. That is when we are gonna head below. And clearly the IBs on the call side is higher compared to the put side. So basically what everyone is thinking is, everyone is expecting some sort of a massive short covering rally, क्योंकि इतने सारे shorts बैठे हैं. So we have already collected close to around 8 points of decay. We are looking at around 6-7k profits. Today's aim will be to collect around 20 points of decay. That's it. Like if we collect 10 to 20 points of decay, we are out, nothing doing. Okay? And even in Nifty, I mean Bank Nifty also, we have collected close to around 15 points of decay. And mind you, again, we haven't hedged our positions today because the cost of hedging would be extremely high, and we are not even looking to make constant adjustments, because यहाँ पे जो premiums देखो, with 10 lots and with 180-190 rupees of average price, every order will cost us somewhere around 300-400 rupees as charges. So we'll keep the adjustments as minimal as possible, and we'll adjust only when it is required. हम तब तक adjust नहीं करेंगे जब तक adjustment 100% जरूरी हो. And that being said, we are looking to capture around 20 points of decay on this straddle. And since the market has been extremely volatile, we are expecting the markets to trade a bit comparatively silently today. And having said that, any further adjustments, I'm gonna update you guys. Alright guys, the time is around 9:50, and market ने क्या किया है? Suddenly it broke the day's low, and with a very strong candle and with decent volumes. So what we did was, we came out of our what we did was we came out of our straddle at 14,500. 14,500 straddle से हम बाहर आ गए, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the straddles at the appropriate price. So the appropriate thing now is to enter at 14,450 straddle because अगर मार्केट को ऊपर जाना है तो डेज लो को ब्रीच करना पड़ता है, राइट? अगर मार्केट को नीचे जाना है तो मार्केट को ऊपर जाना है तो डेज हाई को ब्रीच करना पड़ता है, जहां पे the high is there, the swing is there, 200 moving average is there and daily pivot is there, right? मार्केट को नीचे जाना है तो CPR को तोड़ना पड़ेगा and so many things it has to do. So what we're going to do is we are going to execute the 14,450 straddle, or we can also go for like 14,400 and 14,500 strangle as well, because which is decent. Even that is also a decent bet to bet on. 14,500 is around 162 and this is around 150. 14,400 and 14,500. 163 and 145. So obviously the call set premiums are higher. So अगर market ऊपर पहुंचना शुरू करता है तो we won't be getting that good a decay from the put side. So it's better to stay slightly away from the calls because short covering rally कभी भी आ सकती है, because that's what happened yesterday. So the first thing what's gonna catch you off guard is the sudden up moves. क्योंकि डाउन मूव्स भी तो हम लोग रेडी रहते हैं कि मतलब हाँ भाई कभी भी मतलब सेलिंग आ सकती है, बट सडन बाइंग विल immediately catch you off guard and it will spike up the calls by, the IVs of the calls will spike up so much that most of the times it will catch us off guard, तो सरप्राइज से ले लेता है. So we don't want that to happen. And on the Bank Nifty end, we have almost collected around 50 points of decay, which even me personally hadn't expected. We got around 50 points of decay in a very quick span of time. There is a sudden IV crush from both the calls as well as the put ends, especially call. The call has decayed in its value by so much, especially on that break of the day's low. जैसे मतलब Bank Nifty day's low को breach कर दिया, so the calls got dumped like anything, because a lot of people who were thinking that bro like आज short covering rally आएगी 34,000 तक पहुंचेगा, so all those people just dumped those calls off. And at the same time 33,500 puts are not being bought. मतलब लोग इसको buy नहीं कर रहे हैं, and even the people have lot of conviction to hold on to these 33,500 sold puts. That's why we have already collected around 50 points of decay in this. And on Nifty front, what we did was we collect somewhere around 8 points of decay, 7 to 8 points of decay. 1 points को broker लेके जाएगा, छोड़ दो उसको. And essentially we'll again re-enter. But right now since we are at the point of decision making, because constant elements को देखेंगे तो Reliance is again sliding lower. Reliance फिर से नीचे आ रहा है. HDFC has given some sort of a breakout towards the upside. Nifty IT is slowly coming down, but it has a support at yesterday's low. And Bank Nifty is kind of confused now. So confusion काफी है market में, and that's what guys. We're gonna wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the sentiment is clear, we still have a lot of time to get the theta decay and the weekend decay and stuff like that. So we're gonna hold on. And already VIX crush हो चुका है, almost 2.5% VIX गिर चुका है. I'm gonna update you. Time is exactly 10. What we've done is we have entered a strangle, 14,400 and 14,500 strangle with just 10 lots. ज़्यादा हमने किए नहीं, and we have lost around 2 points in slippages. मतलब can't help it. It's just part of the game. And on Bank Nifty, we have collected close to around 60 points of decay, which is nice. And if Bank Nifty heads back to around 33,500 now, if Bank Nifty shoots up, we're going to realize around another 20 points of decay in this. So currently we are in a very comfortable position. There is not much to be changed here. So what's happening is Reliance is kind of finding support at the 1970 levels, which has been previously support as well. इस पॉइंट पे वो सपोर्ट ढूंढ रहा है, and HDFC has clearly given some sort of a breakout, which means that the FIIs are interested in buying today. So obviously be very careful about the short covering rally. The first thing is, unless 14,500 level is not taken out, all right, unless 14,500 levels are not, or at least until 14,470, 480 levels are not taken out, so we're gonna stick with this same position. Okay? And once that happens, what we're going to do is we're going to keep the 14,500 calls as is, and we're going to roll up our 14,450. Right, guys, as I said to you guys, once this 670 level gets breached, I'm gonna shift all my puts to 14,500. So that's what I've done. I've shifted all my puts to 14,500. So now we are again back to 14,500 straddle, which is a round level, and there should be some good decay that's going to be happening at this point. And on the Bank Nifty front, there is not much change. We have collected around close to 80 points of decay, and as we head towards 33,500, we're going to realize more of that decay. So having said that, we're going to sit on this position now. Now where will be the adjustment point? The adjustment point will be based on the premiums now. Why is that? So alright guys, what we have done is we have gotten out of our entire straddle because this might look like a good short covering move and the call IBs are spiking heavily. So simple pattern है, it is a cup and handle भी बोल सकते हैं या ascending triangle भी बोल सकते हैं. So pattern, whatever the pattern is, but the price action says that it might continue higher, right? It is because of Nifty IT का जो चार्ट में दिखा देता हूँ, which I've already done, and Nifty IT has continued to go higher, which might take Nifty also higher. So if the sentiments get changed in Bank Nifty, correct? So already ये breakout देने का कोशिश कर रहा है with got good volumes and even the strength is on the higher side. So and Nifty Bank भी अगर party join कर लेता है, if it starts, even if it reaches up till the day's high also, even then we'll be looking at around 30 to 40 points of move in Nifty. So having said that, we have got a very good fill, a decent fill to come out of our positions, and we have exited all the positions. We exited the 14,500 puts at around $135 and we exited the calls around $197. So we collected somewhere around 21 points of decay after charges and all, around 20 or 19 points we have made. And since we have traded very lightly today, so we just traded like 10 lots. Usually मैं 20 या 30 lots trade करता हूँ, but today since we are just after one day of that massive expiry madness, we have just kept the positions very light and we are trading with we just traded with 10 lots. जब तक market silent नहीं होता है, जब तक I feel that the market is not going to be silent, I'm not going to do any changes to this position. I'm not going to enter the markets again. And coming to Bank Nifty positions, our straddle is at 33,500 and अभी 33,400 पे आ रहा है, so which means that we are in a very safe position. So we might look at holding this position till the end of the day, correct? At least end of the day तक hold करना पड़ेगा. अगर इसको exit करना है तो कब करेंगे? अगर exit करना है इस position को तो once Bank Nifty breaches this high 33,600 या 33,700 को breach कर देता है, then we'll look at exiting the positions. Alright guys, the time is 1:25. जैसे मैंने कहा था, the moment Bank Nifty breaches this level, the moment Bank Nifty breaches ये जो level अगर फिर से टेस्ट करता है तो I said I would exit my positions and that's what I've done. We have exited all our positions. Sorry, no orders left and we have exited all our positions and we have captured somewhere around 115 points in Bank Nifty straddles, and we captured somewhere around 21 points in Nifty straddles. Yes, अगर रहते तो और 10 point capture हो जाता, but since it's Friday and we didn't want to take much risk and we didn't want to trade much today, मैं ज़्यादा screen के सामने भी बैठा नहीं था, and this is going to be the end of my trading day. We'll come on Tuesday and we'll again come on Tuesday and we'll take Tuesday as a fresh day. मैं सोच रहा था कि I'll take home this position, this iron condor को मैं लेके जाऊं overnight, which has around 78-80% of the probability of profit, and at the same time which gives around 3% return on the margin. तो range क्या है? The range is pretty much 15,000 to 14,000, 14,000 to 15,000, 1,000 points range है. But जैसे हमने moves देख रहे हैं, हर एक दिन में 500, 300 points, 400 points move आ रहे हैं. So we'll take a call at the end of the trading day. अगर इसको लेना है, if you have to take this overnight, then I'm going to take a call towards the end of the trading day. क्या होता है, like around we'll see the moves what's gonna come at around 2:30 or something, 2:30 3 o'clock के आसपास क्या moves आता है उसको देख के we'll take a call on whether to take this home or not. If I'm gonna be taking home, I'll be taking home this, or else I'm gonna be going to the weekend. I'm going into the weekends with a peace of mind. Like I don't want, worrying about all the global markets and stuff like that. We have a three day long weekend. So I wish you guys a happy weekend.